everyone, welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's whole food plant-based flavorful recipe videos. And can you guess what this is? Well, if you're thinking or guessing it something in the family of tofu, you are absolutely right. This is called as tempeh. Tempeh is made out of whole soybeans, and it is nutritionally very high. It is traditionally made in Indonesia from fermented soybeans, and it is made by basically using fungus bacteria. Now don't freak out just because I said the word fungus. Remember the fermentation process in anything, in yogurt or breads, those type of things. Anytime we need fermentation, we need a probiotic or a fungus to get that reaction going, but remember the fermentation process yields or makes these foods nutritionally superfoods. So basically it is made by naturally culturing and controlling the fermentation process, and during that process the whole soybean binds to each other, and once it is done, it looks like tofu, and it is available from different companies. This particular is from Light Life. It is of course USDA organic and non-GMO. If you are allergic to soy, I have seen tempeh made out of chickpeas as well as sunflower seeds. So there are some different kinds of tempeh available out there. Now it is a firm in texture, okay, and because it is using whole soybean, it is high in protein, dietary fiber, and many vitamins. I mean, you won't believe, but half a cup of tempeh, which is approximately 3 ounces, is going to provide us with 18 grams of protein. But unlike meat, this also has 6 grams of fiber. So who says that on plant-based we cannot get our protein and eat it too? We are going to get it. We are going to get both. In addition, it's going to give us some calcium and iron and potassium and all the good stuff. So the best way to deal with tempeh is roast it, especially if you are new to this. So what I'm going to do, get some good old soy sauce. I'm out of my low sodium soy sauce, that's why I'm using this, and really toss everything together. Now the best way to toss anything is to put it in a container, okay. By the way, I'm going to roast it in the oven, and I have already started the oven at 425 degree Fahrenheit. So I have this really good quality soy sauce here. And as a side note, you can use tempeh in any of the stir-fried dishes, or you can grill it along with the vegetables and turn it into a kebab or a satay. See, so it's nicely marinated. You can add garlic powder to it, ginger to it. I'm going to keep it simple because I'm going to use it in my stir fry later on, but right now it's all good to go in the oven. Oh boy, it already smells so good in here. And as you can see, by tossing it covered in a little box here, makes the coating really easy. That's how I roast all my vegetables. I throw them in a little box, add whatever I need to add, toss it around, put them in the oven, done with it. So it's going to go in the oven for maybe 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on it. It needs to be golden brown in color, not dark brown. So I don't remember, but I think 10 minutes should be plenty. So I roasted this tempeh in the oven at 425 for 7 minutes. Okay, I thought it would take anywhere between 7 to 10 minutes. 7 minutes were just perfect, and they came out just nice. It's slightly golden brown. It's not burnt. This is how it's done. And like I said, you can use it in stir fry. You can put it in the sandwich. You can do a satay or kebabs by marinating it in any other flavor. So it's a very versatile soy products to use. And if you're not used to tempeh, try. Of course, there is a firm tofu that you can use. And like I said, if you're allergic to soy, you can use the sunflower tempeh that is these days is available. And as I said, along with all the nutrients that I talked about, the soybeans are also good source of isoflavones, which are good for menopause, premenopause, for women's health as well as for men's health, because it reduces our risk for cancer, and it's good for to prevent any kind of heart disease. So all in all, it's a good product. Make sure you are always using organic non-GMO soy products. Thank you, and I will talk to you guys soon.